Hello kids. Kids, we will trace A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Let's learn colors name. Red color, light green color, orange color, light pink color, green color, pink color, brown color, yellow color, black color, blue color, sky blue, and violet color. Red color. A for apple. Blue color. A for apple. Capital letter B. B for ball. Small letter B. B for ball. Capital letter C. C for cat. Small letter C for cat. Capital letter D. D for dog. Small letter D for dog. Capital letter E for elephant. Small letter E for elephant. Pink color. A. Green color. A. Capital letter B. Small letter B. Capital letter C. Small letter C. Capital letter D. Small letter D. Capital letter E. Small letter E. A. B. C. D. E. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Small letter A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.